What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. This week I'm giving you guys a series of videos on the best iPhone 13 Pro Max cases. Now these are the best cases in my opinion due to several reasons, whether it be the price, the design, overall protection, MagSafe compatibility, and wireless charging. This list might be different for you on why you think a case is the best, but these are mine. I think most people look for those similar things when they're looking for a case for the phone. So this is the Tech21 Evo Lite case. Goes for about $19.33 on Amazon.com. If you want to look for another case in particular, make sure to swing by my other videos because I've done a crap ton of these this week. So check those out. You know, Spidey's my official timekeeper. He keeps me on point, but he's my official timekeeper. Give me some. I gave you 4 that time. Usually I give you 3, but I gave you 4 that time. Calm down, calm down. I know you're getting excited. So anyways, as you can see, I put some stickers on it because it's kind of plain. It's just a black case. It's kind of plain. You do have designs on the side, like the little line cut out, Tech21 branding. But other than that, it's pretty simple. This right here does not mean it has MagSafe. Contrary to belief, because most phones with MagSafe, it shows that little ring in the middle. This does not have MagSafe, which I was surprised, but like I said, teach his own, whatever. So you snap this on, boom, boom, boom. So my overall review of this case is very good. It has great protection on it. It's very slim. The edges are raised. You have your cutouts for your volume up and down, your volume switch, your camera, which is very raised, so they're protected, your power button, and then your speakers and charging port. But this case feels really good. Very, like, when you holding this, you know you holding it. You won't worry about it slipping. But anyways, let's check MagSafe. So I've discovered all of these phones, or all the cases at least, if they don't have MagSafe, it will still kind of stick through because the magnet from the wallet and the magnet from the phone kind of gets some kind of connection somewhere internally. But as soon as you shake it, it comes right off. So without MagSafe, don't be throwing no freaking wallet on here because it's gonna come off. And if you got anything valuable in there, sorry, you SOL. Sorry. Anyways, let's check wireless charging. Put that on there. It has wireless charging, so if you have a little docking station or a wireless charging station, you're good. But overall, I like this case. It's not the most, the fanciest case, but it does protect. The price is very decent. You can wireless charge. There's no MagSafe, and the overall design, but that's why I put some stickers on here because it looked like a blank canvas to me. I like to deck it out, customize, and make it look like a little something. But that's just me. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated. And if you're new or returning, make sure you hit that like button. Your boy appreciate it. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.